kind of an interesting place. It has this old bus that looks like somebody tried to make it into a camper. And they call it the Magic Bus, and it's a mere $6,800. Wonder if I can poke a look inside here. Doesn't look too good. And then this, Jim Brooks would know what this is, but I don't. It's a GM car of some sort, I think. And, oh, this one doesn't have a sign, so I don't know what it is. 55 Chevy two-door. Kenny would have loved this at one point. Boy, these all need lots of work. Does this have a price? No. Now here we have, it says it's a 56 Thunderbird. Boy. Oh God, these need everything. This one has a flat, so you can't even drive it home. And some kind of a weird connector. I don't know if that's stock or not. No trunk lid, no right-hand door, no top. It had a tack. Maybe they all had a tack. Looks like no engine or transmission. And it can be yours for a mere $4,600, reduced from $5,000. What a beauty. Now we go over here. This place has all kinds of stuff.
There's a child's toy, like a kid's car over here.
Yeah. This one has one Krager wheel on the rear. 39 Plymouth. $8,800. Kind of like that one. This is a 41 Ford. A mere $5,100. '49 Olds. The guy tried to race me in one of these, and he didn't see the cop, and I did. Oh, Futuramic. This one also has one Krager wheel. I like these little fins. Just a hint of a fin. It's like an airport vehicle of some sort, Daihatsu. Oh, here we go. 1930 Ford ranch wagon. $4,300. I don't know if that was a tractor or what. Here we go. 1941 Dodge. $3,300. This is cab over engine. Woody Webb's Orland. Finest fast in the yellow pages. Let's see what's this look like. Well, it actually has a seat and the headlights, and it looks like it has another windshield in here. Looks like it had a tack at one time. And Ford. I don't know what year, but Jim Brooks would. This is how you, this is how you open the hood, but maybe not anymore. Maybe a 39? I don't know. Not good at these. Whoops. Just broke a bottle, but only with my foot. California license plate from 1955. Tina on this one. Just cover it with a clear coat, leave it as is. Well, the good stuff is in here. Here's a Studebaker Silver Hawk Golden Hawk with a chopped top.
Oh, that's the chop top.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think that looks cool, huh?
To some extent.